first of all, I would like to say thank to all of you to give me this opportunity, and I take this opportunity telling something about my topic. My topic is child labor. As we know very well, India is a big country. If this is a big problem in all over the world. If we are concerned child labor, as we know very well, child labor is a common word for our children because they are do work in any type of work for under by the age, because they are commercial system, and we are at the family income, and child labor was hazard to feed self for mentally, physically and commercial and social and development, because child labor was do any type of work because they are hazard, and who is employed is increasing to a activity to feed self, and family was subjected to child labor and mostly to educationally and development. If child labor was still in common some part of it, it can be factory work, mining, quarries and agriculture, helping in present business. Child labor having a one small business and doing any job, sometimes combined with business for shop and restaurant. Job as such as assembling for polishing food, steering a store, producing, cleaning and any type of houses work. However, rather than his question for sweet most loving child, if child labor was occurs to family and many type of feed and from media, child labor was do any type of work for minimum days and minimum time. If they are, as long as their family was increasing, because they are child labor. If according to the UNICEF, if 250 million child, they are aged to 5 to 14 are child labor, because they are report for UNICEF and international labor. If India is a big, this is a big problem for India, because India was an increasing to developing country and alarming rate, and if we are crossing and big risk to a, because child labor was a big hidden to success for India, and I think that first of all I would like to ask a question, because we are seeing many type of child labor in any time and every place. So do you help them? I know that 1 and 2% people are help them because they are social, and I think if government should take a correct action to eradicate the child labor, so government should take a many type of diseases we are started, like a Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, School Chalo Abhiyan, and many people are social, because and they are starting many type of programs to eradicate the child labor, and people are made to mean and they are around to many type of countries like France and India. So they are provide to self, and we are go to school for child labor and provide to schools, and if we are take a correct action and we are provide a legal notice to how many type of houses work and many type of factories and many factories. So we are legal notice. So we are eradicate the child labor, because child are future to our India. So we are eradicate the child labor. This is a short way to me to eradicate the child labor.
Okay. Please, Shreya, pick up one slip. Yes, Aman. Put your hand together, all of you, for Aman. Please. Very good, Aman.
Good morning, friends and my respected elders. This is Aman Shrivastava, and I am here to share my view on a very interesting topic, that is child labor. The most innocent phase in the human life, when human foundations are laid for a very successful life. It is a human right. It is a human right issue for all over the world. It is very dangerous and extensive right under the age of 14. It is not occurring only in India. It is occurring in all over the world. And if we see many places, children are doing their own business. They are doing polishing. They are polishing the shoes, and they are selling vegetables on their own, because they have no money to earn, no money. And if we see their causes, there are many causes like poverty, lack of education, and explosion of cheap and very unorganized labor. Government also have to share some hands with the very poor people, so they can earn money. And if we see on the railway stations, the children are earning money by very cheap standard. And if we see in small restaurants, the students are working as a waiters, so they should also be banned. And if we see the past of our children, they have very beautiful memories. And if these children become the doctor and engineer and do something for our country, so it will better than do job in like waiters in hotels.
Aman, please pick up one seat. Oshi, very good, Oshi.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, I would like to say thank you to give me this opportunity, and I take this opportunity to tell something about my topic, child labor. As far as the child labor is concerned, I think child labor is a great curse for our society, because this is also very biggest problem for our India. Not only India, this is the problem of all over the world. I think this is very small age. This is very small age to work of child to working place to place, because this is the age of child that they get educate and make her future best and successful. So from this point of view, child labor is unjustification of a child. As far as when it's come to education, as we all know very well, the education makes us smart. If we don't get good education, we can't get the success in our life. We can't get success in our life. Education, because education provides us vision. So from this point of view, education is very important for each and everyone. As far as when it's come to childhood, I think every child had the rights to enjoy her childhood, but many people are forced the child that you are working on hotels, polishing shoes, and although estimates in all over the world 250 million child working, CACL estimates that in India between 70 and 80 million children are working. In Africa there are 22% child are working. In Africa there are 22% working. In America 70%, in Asia 22%, and in USA, Canada, Europe and other valid ones, only 1% child are working. So from this point of view, child labor is very bad, and the influence of child labor is very bad to each and everyone. As far as when it comes to government do its best to solve these problems. They started Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, School Chalo Abhiyan, and health seminars for the development, the health of children, and they developed health seminars for our people, but there are not many influence from these things. So from this point of view, I think we try to eradicate this problem. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. Yes.